In this next video, I will show you how to use the Systeme.io step by step, covering everything from creating funnels to managing some email marketing. First, let's get over to the Systeme.io. You can sign up for the free using your email. If you don't have an account, you can focus, of course, into enter your email account and go for get my free account. Next is going to be asking us to confirm your email address by clicking into the link that could just email us. So let's go into our Gmail and confirm this. Once we have done this process, we are now inside the Systeme.io dashboard. So you'll see that here into the main dashboard, we have a lot of tools you needed to run for your online business. You can build sales funnels. We can, of course, create email marketing campaigns here. And of course, going to be asking you to receive payments and much more stuff. We must complete my profile. So if you wanted to, you can go ahead into this hyperlink of completing my profile. So enter the display name, your first, last name, the city, country, postal code, state, everything here into this application in order to start earning money. Now let's start creating our very first sales funnel. So click into this option that says sales funnels and hit now into create. Inside create a funnel, here all we can do is to choose one type. Either this is a building an audience, we can do it for selling, we can do it for a custom product, or to run a webinar, for example. Let's say, for example, they wanted to sell a product or a service. So if I choose this template, here it says the currency you would like to accept. Let's scroll and look out for USD. If you don't find it, you can just delete it and just type USD or just type dollar. So as you can see, I believe that I have just found it here, US dollar. The funnel domain should be this one, because this one is a generated domain, of course, by Systeme.io, and you can name this. So let's say that this is for selling one shirt. So I go for save, and my funnel should be created automatically. Now the Systeme.io comes with a variety of pre-made templates for funnels. We can save our time and choose a template that fits, of course, your business and start customizing it by editing the text, images, and the layout to suit your brand. To get started with some elements of your template, we can just select here my funnel, which in this case is this one, and we have the stepped configuration. Now we can see that here's our order form, but we have a lot of templates that we can use for this funnel. So we have the pricing plans include, we have the book, for example, we have this contact billing information, launching a campaign, a service, booking, and much more. In this case, we want to sell one product, so I'm going to focus with this preview template. So as you can see, this is a website of one product that we are selling. Of course, this is just an example. If you like what you're seeing here, for example, here's the product, here are the reviews, here's the title, here's the, in this case, the author, the reviews, the price example, and this is the image. So if this one works for you, then we can go back into the Systeme.io and hit now into use it. So I select here my actual template, and now I can start configuring my template. So in this case, here is the name, which is the order form. I think this one works for me. And I go the URL path. So textpress.systeme.io, I can go and type the name of my product, which in this case is shirt number 1. Now the affiliate commission is, for example, how much money would you like to earn for this? Let's say 30% of each sale. So commission payout delay, let's go for 14 days or 15 days. Sales limit, and if this is a digital product or a physical product. Let's say that this one is a physical product, and here I choose one physical product. If you don't have a physical product, of course, we need to import it directly from the upper side. In this case, I already have one product, and I'm going to hit now to save. Now, if you want to add a coupon, you can do it. So if you don't, you can just leave this as it is. Now, with that being said, now I can go back into the automation rules. Now you can easily customize each page by dragging and dropping elements like text, button, images, and forms. So I can add an order bump or delete bumps. Now into this funnel, here is my order form created. Now I can, of course, check out automation rules, API test, stats, leads, sales, and deadlines that this page has done so far. But before I delve into that, let's go into the left part, and now let's focus into the thank you page. once somebody have purchased one product, you want to thank for that purchased. So let's say that I choose this template, and here's the name and the URL path. In this case, thank you note. And here's now the paged thank you element. Now the inactive page, this page is displayed when the funnel is not working correctly. Here is what happens with the inactive page. Please contact the website owner if you think this is a mistake. So let's say, for example, I want to add something important. For example, here I go for text. There we go. This is like a mistake. If somebody just have like an error into their websites and whatever. I'm going to hit now to save changes. I close this, and I have just created my very first funnel. We can add more steps. For example, a inline pop-up form, a thank you page, a webinar info page, contact us element, and much more. Once you've finished with this funnel, I can view my funnel pages so we can integrate this email and marketing. So the Systeme IO lets you automate emails easily. So I'm gonna view my funnel so I can check this out. And of course, I fill all my information, and this one should be sending me directly to the thank you note and whatever. Now that I have here my funnel list, I can start going into emails. And here into emails, I'm going to go for campaigns. Now into campaigns, I can hit now into create. This is, for example, the campaign number 1. Now, of course, to continue, we needed to import sender email address. This should be imported from context. Lastly, you can use the Systeme.io, of course, to use some workflows that automatically respond to triggers, like when somebody submits to a form and make a purchase. You can create an automation into the upper side and look out for some workflows to start building elements. To hit now to create, you named it. For example, let's say that this is recurrent buyers. Saved it and start customizing your workflows. You can use templates if you wanted to get started with the trigger. For example, when somebody make a campaign completed with this, when this happens, then it must happen like this. And you can create more and more as you're getting started. And if you sell digital products, for example, courses or memberships, you have the product section here into the upper side. We can sell digital products, orders, coupon, courses, and so much more elements. Another great feature, of course, you can use is to run affiliation programs into the dashboard. So we can set a commission rates, we can create affiliation links, track your affiliate sales, all within the platforms, so you can earn your commissions and much more stuff. So this is just a actual walkthrough, quick to walk through how we can use the Systeme.io. There's a lot of funnels, emails, workflows, managing products. So it's just a all-in-one platform for growing your business. So guys, hopefully this information was really useful for you. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and well, see you next time.